I feel there's definitely a need for Native youth to be introduced to the whole growing process. It's a lesson in having faith and trust in what you're doing, and having trust in what people before you have done for a long time. I think the experience, that whole process of gardening, is that in itself it's a lesson on process, and it's something that you can be so proud of. It's something you put a lot of effort and work into, and then people are relying on you. As mothers, we set the tone for what our family eats, the things we put in our bodies. And for my daughters, I want them to appreciate that relationship with the land, that whole growing piece, preparing it, drying it, storing it. And those are all things that I think will build great character.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Gunaki. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujay Ta, Turagoon.
Today we are making tomato vegetable soup. For this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 medium carrots, 1 small onion, 2 medium zucchinis, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of green beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by cutting carrots into 1/2 inch thick slices. 2 medium carrots are about 1½ cups sliced. Next, chop the onion. 1 small onion is about 1 cup chopped. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the carrots, onion, and garlic powder. Cook for 5 minutes. Stir often. While the carrots and onion are cooking, chop the zucchini. 2 medium zucchini is about 2½ cups chopped. Next, add the broth, green beans, tomatoes, and tomato sauce. Stir to combine, bring to a boil over high heat. Tomatoes are a traditional food. The Otoe word for tomato is Otoe-Missouria. Tomatoes are very versatile. They can be eaten raw, dried, canned, frozen, cooked, or made into juice. They're rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Tomatoes are also associated with lowering the risk of heart disease and certain cancers because they contain the phytonutrient lycopene. Once the soup starts to boil, cover and lower the heat. Simmer for 10 minutes or until carrots are tender. Add the zucchini and Italian seasoning. Heat for 5 more minutes. Today we're using vegetable broth, but you could use chicken or beef broth instead. You can also substitute fresh or frozen green beans for the canned green beans. For more protein, add chicken, turkey, deer, or lean beef. Try adding other vegetables to this recipe. Use your favorite vegetables that you have on hand. When the soup is ready, remove from the heat and serve warm. This recipe makes 8 servings, which is about 1 cup per serving. Enjoy!